Well, we're staying with the breaking news that we have been bringing to you. ABVP workers have staged a massive protest outside the school in Bangalore where that 6-year-old girl was in fact policeman. Barricades were broken, violent scenes unfolding outside that school in Bangalore. And this after the skating instructor of the school was arrested for raping a 6-year-old student. Now, while the skating instructor has in fact been taken into custody and he is likely to be produced at a court in Bangalore today, protests have erupted outside the Bangalore school. These are ABVP protesters who've joined forces with aggrieved parents demanding that a thorough investigation should take place, also demanding that the accused in this case, who's suspected to be a repeat offender, should in fact be handed the capital punishment. My colleague Ratnika Sharma is now joining me live for more. Ratnika, you've been reporting on this case from ground zero. Take us through what the latest is. ABVP supporters have in fact joined hands with aggrieved parents and now they are demanding the death sentence for the accused.
Yes, but right now the ABVP protesters seem to subsided and the police have managed to calm them down. In fact, they're negotiating right now with the police to stage a peaceful protest and not turn violent.
Right.
However, the demand still remains that the arrested person should be hanged, and not only him but all perpetrators of such heinous crimes across India should be given capital punishment. However, I would just like to clarify that there are no parents here really joining forces, because parents have been very clear right from the start that they do not want any political support. They do not want to join forces with any political party.
Okay, so the ABVP, they're in fact echoing the voice of parents, but Ratnika, they're coming out and saying that the parents have in fact not joined forces with the ABVP supporters. Ratnika, as the chorus for the death sentence in fact grows, just take us through, what exactly happened. Was this a premeditated protest? Was the Bangalore police in fact prepared to deal with these protesters?
Yes, definitely. As I said before, the police have been stationed here since day one, since the incidents have been happening.
Right.
However, today we did see an increase in number of police personnel stationed here, and there has been a lot of, in fact, the police people have increased in number because it was already premeditated that there would be a protest here and there would be a lot of people here. Because it was also told to us, sources were telling us that there will be about 800 people at this spot for the protest. However, the number is far less than what was thought.
Right, we'd just like to bring our viewers up to speed with the latest on this developing story. There has finally been a breakthrough in the rape case of the 6-year-old in the Bangalore school. The police have arrested a skating instructor employed at the school in Bangalore and have seized a laptop with videos and images of school children in fact being raped. The accused will be produced in a court today where the police will seek judicial custody of the accused. This is the first arrest in the case, even though police have in fact detained 3 persons earlier during the course of the investigation. Right, Ratnika is still live with us reporting from ground zero. Ratnika, initial investigation reveals that the accused might be a repeat offender.
Yes, that's what the police had also told us yesterday when he showed us the videos, the laptop and the mobile phone that they had seized. That he does have a criminal record. He has done similar things in the past, which is what is also a cause of anger among the parents and even these ABVP protesters. Is that why aren't these teachers appointed in the school go through a background check?
Absolutely.
Why is this so much lax? Why is the school management lax when it comes to background check? Which is also what the parents have been telling me since yesterday, that they're really angry at the school management.
Right, anger of the parents, they're very justified. The school management clearly, adopting a very lackadaisical approach. There were no proper background checks that were in fact conducted on the employees. And also, Ratnika, what has come to light is the shocking apathy of the school in this case. For a really long period of time, the school authorities in fact had remained silent. They had not met with the parents or issued any clarification. We also saw very violent clashes between parents and the Bangalore police. So clearly the way the school management has handled this entire issue has also put them under the scanner.
Definitely. In fact, what the parents have also been telling me yesterday is that they are planning to meet the school management on Tuesday. However, they still haven't gotten through Mr. Rustam, or the chairperson. And the school management has absolutely made no effort to talk to parents, to get in touch with parents, apart from a single SMS saying the school will be closed today.
Right, so a single SMS saying that the school will in fact be closed. Ratnika, also, is there any word in at all, from the parents as to whether the school has come out and given them any kind of assurance that their children will in fact be secure? Because at this point in time, the insecure parents are mulling over the larger question of whether or not to send their students back to school.
Exactly. In fact, there was all the parents had mutually decided that they would not send their kids to school until Tuesday. However, we did get a copy of the letter that the chairman has sent across to all parents in the school, saying that they will cooperate with the police and that they will ensure that the culprits will be arrested soon. But apart from that letter, there has been no communication from the school whatsoever.
Well, absolutely. The apathetic attitude of the school, they're putting them further under the scanner. Thanks, Ratnika, for joining us with that live update. Now, with that first arrest that has been made in the case, there is in fact a growing chorus for the death penalty. ABVP supporters, they're gathering outside the school. We will continue to track developments very closely.